indicates this vehicle as low miles and a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2014 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.